Welcome back, friends. I'm Janis here with Julie. Today we're tackling two spaces that can make or break your holiday hosting, the entryway and the dining room.
These are your home's first impression and gathering central. Get these right, and guests will think that you've got everything under control, even if your laundry room is staging a rebellion.
And if you're expecting more people than usual this year, we've got special tips just for you.
So grab your favorite beverage and let's dive in, starting with the entryway.
Your entryway is literally the first thing people see. It sets the tone for everything.
Most entryways are basically dumping grounds: keys, shoes, coats, Amazon packages. It's like a Bermuda Triangle where stuff lives permanently.
So true. But during the holidays, your entryway has to work harder. You've got guest coats, shoes, bags, maybe hostess gifts.
So let's use this system: clear, clean, and contain.
First, everything that doesn't belong needs to go. Grab a laundry basket as your relocation station and remove scattered shoes, mail to be sorted, toys from the playroom, coats you haven't worn in months, and random cables, sunglasses, dog leashes.
Set a timer for yourself, 5 minutes, and clear the decks. Don't organize yet. Just get stuff out. Little pro tip here: if items have been there for more than 2 weeks untouched, they don't need to be there anymore. Can you donate them, throw them away, or put them away?
If you're hosting more people, think about coat storage. Do you have enough hooks or closet space? Get creative. Add temporary hooks, set up a portable coat rack, move your family's everyday coats to bedrooms temporarily, or use the guest bedroom bed as coat storage.
And shoes. 10 extra people means 20 extra shoes, usually. Set up a designated shoe zone, a boot tray, a decorative basket, or a festive runner rug.
Make it obvious where people should put their stuff. Don't make them guess.
Now it's time to clean, because your guests will notice.
Follow the golden rule. Start from the top. So dust the light fixture, check for cobwebs. Your tall uncle will notice the cobweb. Trust me. Now, the floor. Vacuum and sweep up thoroughly, then mop. Pay attention to corners where dust bunnies throw parties.
Oh, dust bunnies are very social. Wipe down all the surfaces, entry table, light switches. They get so grimy. Door handles and knobs, mirrors and picture frames, coat hooks. A quick hack is to keep cleaning wipes in your entryway closet, if you have one, for 60-second touch-ups before guests arrive. If you don't have a closet, we have next to ours a sideboard or kind of a hutch thing. And so we keep that in the cupboard there.
Now, the fun part, contain. Create systems that keep your entryway functional when busy. You need 3 zones. 1, the drop zone. That's for keys, sunglasses, and wallets. 2, the coat zone. So hooks or the closet. 3, the shoe zone. Wherever you want the shoes to live.
For holidays, add zone 4, the guest zone, dedicated space that's just for visitors. Make it pretty with a decorative basket for guest items, or nice hangers in the closet, a small tray for their keys or phones, maybe a welcome sign.
Put out a little basket with breath mints, hand sanitizer, festive napkins. Those tiny touches make guests feel special.
Sanity saving tip: create a staging area in a nearby closet for your family's everyday stuff temporarily. Keep the entryway 100% guest ready.
Because your teenager's gym shoes do not need to greet grandma.
That's a hard no on the gym shoes.
Mhm.
Trust me.
Let's talk about last touches. Add a seasonal scent with either a candle, a diffuser, maybe even cinnamon sticks. Fresh flowers or seasonal arrangement. Make sure your entry light is bright enough. And maybe add a festive doormat.
Lighting is huge. If your entryway is dim, guests feel like they're kind of entering a cave. Bright, warm lighting says welcome.
All right, entryway is looking good. Now let's move to the star of the show.
The dining room. This is where the magic happens. Meals, conversations, memories. Let's make it showtime ready.
Confession time. Who's using their dining table as a horizontal filing cabinet?
You're so not alone. The dining table is a magnet for everything homeless.
But when hosting holiday meals, especially with extra guests, this table needs to be functional and festive.
So we're doing clear, clean, and contain, plus a fourth C, celebrate.
So, first mission, clear that table. Everything goes.
Grab your laundry basket and remove mail and papers, kids' homework, laptops and chargers, shopping bags, crafts that are in progress, that invisible centerpiece.
Be ruthless. The table's only job during holidays is hosting meals and bringing people together.
Get ongoing projects like puzzles or Lego, or if you have ongoing projects like puzzles or Legos, then you want to relocate them to the basement or a bedroom corner.
For papers, get a deal with it later box. Label it sort by December 10th and put it in a closet. Deal with it after the holiday.
Permission granted to not be perfect. The goal is functional, not finding every receipt's permanent home.
Now, don't stop at clearing just the table. Look around the whole room. What's competing for space? Extra chairs you won't be using? Side tables loaded with stuff? A china cabinet turned junk collector? Random boxes in the corner?
If you're expecting more people, get creative with furniture. Move out a side table temporarily. Relocate that plant stand. Create open space so people can move around the table.
Count your chairs. Enough seating? If not, borrow from neighbors, rent chairs, set up a kids' table, do a buffet style in different rooms.
Now it's time to clean, dust everything. The table, the chair backs and seats, the light fixture chandelier, windowsills and blinds, picture frames, the china cabinet.
Vacuum or clean floors, under the table, around chair legs, corners, mop if you have hardwood, wood, or tile, clean windows for natural light.
Don't forget your chairs, especially seats. They get crumbs, dust, mystery stickiness.
Mystery stickiness is the worst. Vacuum upholstered chairs or wipe down wooden ones.
Pro tip, final table wipe down the morning of your event, even if you cleaned it a couple days ago. Dust settles. So now we're going to contain and organize.
Think about what you'll need access to. Table linens, serving dishes, extra plates and silverware, napkins, centerpiece items.
Store in your buffet or china cabinet, easy to access. This is not the time to dig for the gravy boat. If it's overstuffed, do a quick edit. Move out what you won't use because it can come back later.
And create a drink station. It's a game changer for crowds. So set up a small area with glasses, water pitcher, ice bucket, wine bottle openers, and maybe napkins, cocktail napkins.
Guests can help themselves. You're not running back and forth like a restaurant waiter.
And for extra large gatherings, set up the drink station in the kitchen. It pulls traffic away and creates another gathering spot.
Now, the fourth C is celebrate. Make your dining room feel special.
Start with a centerpiece. It doesn't have to be fancy, just festive. So here are some ideas. Fresh seasonal flowers, candles at varying heights, a small garland down the table center, or maybe even fresh seasonal fruit.
So the key is keep it low. Don't block sight lines. Nobody wants to talk to Aunt Carol's forehead because there's a floral tower in the way.
I can only see your eyes, Carol. Not that vibe. Add mood lighting like candles, string lights, or dim overhead and use lamps for ambience.
Don't forget music. Have a playlist ready. It fills awkward silences and it creates atmosphere.
Set the table the night before if possible. One less thing to stress about. Take a photo. If it turns out great, you'll want to remember it for next year.
Are you hosting more people than usual? Do buffet style instead of family style. It has an easier flow. Use disposable plates for dessert, gives you less cleanup. Kids table with fun placemats. You can clear pathways for movement. Label serving dishes, gluten-free, vegan,
I
lots of
like that
meat.
one.
Yeah.
Give yourself permission to not make this Instagram worthy. Guests are there for you, not your napkin folding skills.
All right, friends, let's recap. You've got 2 guest-ready spaces.
Your entryway is cleared of clutter, sparkling clean, organized with guest zones, and welcoming with seasonal touches.
Your dining room is completely cleared. It's deep cleaned and shining, functionally organized, and festively decorated.
Remember, the goal isn't perfection. It's creating spaces where people feel welcome and comfortable.
Your guests are not coming to judge your housekeeping. They're coming to spend time with you.
But having these spaces ready gives you mental space to actually enjoy your guests instead of stressing about coat storage.
Action plan. Block out a couple hours this weekend. Put on music, bribe yourself with fancy coffee, and just do it.
Want accountability? Share your before and after photos with us using hashtag HolidayReadyJJs. We love seeing your transformations.
Head to www.abcdeclutter.com for our free holiday hosting checklist. Everything we talked about today, plus timelines.
Next episode, we're tackling the laundry room. You know you're excited for this one. We all love clean clothes coming out of a clean room.
Until then, keep it simple.
Keep it intentional.
And as always,
keep
keep
decluttering.
decluttering. Happy hosting, everyone.